Harmony in Penguinopolis. In the heart of Antarctica, where icebergs stand like sentinels, lies a magical realm known as Penguinopolis. Here, a unique colony of penguins, famously called the Polite Penguins, creates a world that echoes with the melody of kindness and respect. In Penguinopolis, the Polite Penguins are renowned for their extraordinary commitment to politeness. Each day begins with the whispers of the icy winds as the penguins exchange warm greetings, setting the tone for a day filled with camaraderie. One day, a little penguin named Percy noticed a newcomer struggling to find their way through the icy terrain. Without hesitation, Percy waddled over and offered a helping flipper. The newcomer, a young penguin named Poppy, was welcomed into the community with open wings. As Poppy integrated into Penguinopolis, Percy and the Polite Penguins shared tales of their unique way of life. They spoke of the Politeness Pavilion, a place where stories of courage, kindness, and good manners were shared to instill values in the hearts of every penguin. Poppy, inspired by the Polite Penguins, decided to spread the message of politeness beyond the borders of Penguinopolis. With the blessings of the colony, Poppy embarked on a journey to neighboring penguin communities, sharing stories and fostering a sense of unity. The tale of Poppy's journey reached the furthest corners of Antarctica, and soon, penguins from various colonies were embracing the values of politeness and kindness. The once isolated communities were now connected by a common thread, creating a harmony that resonated through the icy landscape. Back in Penguinopolis, the Polite Penguins gathered to celebrate the newfound connections and the positive impact of their way of life. They realized that, like the harmonious notes of a song, politeness had the power to create a symphony of unity and understanding. And so, in Penguinopolis, the legend of the Polite Penguins and their commitment to politeness lived on, echoing through the icy winds and inspiring generations of penguins to come. A day of joy in Penguinopolis. In the heart of Antarctica, where the frosty winds whispered through the towering icebergs, lay the enchanting world of Penguinopolis. This extraordinary realm was home to the Polite Penguins, a community renowned for their commitment to kindness and good manners. One splendid day, the Polite Penguins decided to organize a grand playdate in the heart of their snowy haven. The news echoed through the icy landscape, filling the hearts of every penguin with excitement. The buzz of anticipation wafted through the air like a melody. The playdate was set against the backdrop of Penguin Park, a snowy wonderland adorned with ice sculptures and play areas crafted from the purest snow. As the day unfolded, the penguins gathered, each bringing their unique games and treats to share. Pippa, the littlest penguin, initiated a game of ice slide races. The laughter of the penguins echoed as they joyfully slid down the glistening slopes. Every flipper, slide, and twirl was met with cheers and applause, creating an atmosphere of pure delight. In another corner of Penguin Park, Percy organized a friendly fishing contest. The penguins eagerly lined up, ready to showcase their fishing skills. Cheers erupted as the most skillful fishermen reeled in their catch, showcasing the bounties of the icy waters. Meanwhile, the older penguins gathered for a storytelling session near the Politeness Pavilion. Tales of bravery, kindness, and unity filled the air, inspiring the young ones and reinforcing the values that made Penguinopolis truly exceptional. As the sun dipped below the horizon, casting a warm glow over the icy landscape, the penguins gathered for a grand feast. Each penguin contributed a dish to the communal picnic, creating a feast fit for an emperor penguin. The aroma of fish salads, seaweed wraps, and icy treats wafted through the air, tantalizing flippers and beaks alike. The playdate concluded with a mesmerizing display of the northern lights, painting the sky with hues of green and violet. The polite penguins, their bellies full and hearts warmer than ever, gathered in a circle. They expressed gratitude for the day of joy and camaraderie, pledging to organize more playdates to strengthen their bonds. And so, in Penguinopolis, the legend of the Grand Playdate lived on, becoming a cherished memory in the hearts of every polite penguin. The enchanting day of joy served as a reminder that in the icy embrace of Antarctica, the warmth of friendship and kindness could create a haven like no other. Pippa's politeness prevails. In the heart of the frosty wonderland of Penguinopolis lived the polite penguins, a remarkable colony known for their exceptional manners. Among them was Pippa, the littlest penguin with a heart as big as the icy landscape that surrounded their home. One day, an urgent message reached Penguinopolis. A baby seal was lost and stranded on an ice floe far from their colony. The elder penguins, known for their wisdom, gathered to discuss a plan. Pippa, despite being the smallest, insisted on joining the rescue mission. Equipped with nothing but determination and a bundle of fish, Pippa ventured into the icy unknown. The journey was perilous, with treacherous icy caves and towering glaciers blocking her path. Yet, undeterred by the challenges, Pippa pressed on, her small flippers propelling her forward with remarkable courage. As Pippa navigated the frigid waters, she encountered a group of penguins from a distant colony. With her characteristic politeness, she sought their assistance, and together, they forged ahead. The unity of the penguins transformed the rescue mission into a shared adventure. Amidst the icy challenges, Pippa's politeness became a guiding light. She thanked her newfound friends for their support, ensuring the mission retained an air of camaraderie. The baby seal, shivering and scared, was discovered huddled on a drifting ice floe. With the rescue complete, Pippa led the way back to Penguinopolis, her small flippers now carrying the rescued baby seal. The distant penguin colony joined in, creating a heartwarming procession that traversed the icy expanse. As they returned, the northern lights painted the sky with vibrant hues, casting a magical glow over the procession. The unity, kindness, and politeness that Pippa exhibited had not only saved a life but had also forged bonds between distant colonies. In Penguinopolis, the tale of Pippa's adventure became a legend, a story told to young penguins during chilly nights. Pippa, the littlest penguin, had proven that politeness, courage, and unity could overcome the iciest challenges. And so, in the heart of Antarctica, Pippa's politeness prevailed, leaving an indelible mark on the polite penguins and serving as a reminder that even the smallest among us can create ripples of kindness that resonate across the frozen landscapes.